Understanding grafting tape, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, grafting tape. This is a commonly used term in gardening and agriculture, but it might be a bit confusing if English isn't your first language. So, let's break it down together and understand what it really means. Before we dive into grafting tape, it's crucial to understand what grafting is. Grafting is a horticultural technique where parts of plants are joined together to continue growing as one. This method is used to combine the strengths of two different plants. For instance, a plant with strong roots can be joined with another that bears superior fruit or flowers. Now, let's talk about the tape part. In grafting, it's important to hold the joined parts of the plants securely. This is where grafting tape comes into play. It's a special kind of tape used to wrap around the graft to keep it in place, ensuring that the plants heal together and grow successfully. What makes grafting tape special? First, it's flexible and strong, which is necessary to hold the graft tightly without damaging the plants. Secondly, it's often biodegradable, meaning it will break down naturally over time, so you don't need to remove it later. Using grafting tape is crucial in the grafting process. It protects the graft from external factors like moisture and pests, while also maintaining the right amount of pressure needed for the graft to heal. Without proper taping, the graft might not take, leading to failure of the grafting process. I hope this video has helped you understand what grafting tape is and why it's important in gardening and agriculture. Remember, learning new phrases in a different language can be challenging, but it's also rewarding. Keep learning and growing your English vocabulary. See you in the next video.